This video is about number system, so let's get started. For a long time, we got a need to count stuff. So let's take an example that we need to count the number of days it doesn't rain. So one day passes, another day, and so on and so on. Now my friend comes and asks how many days it doesn't rain, and I will say these many days. But it will get very difficult if the number of days kept on increasing. So I will so to make it easier, we start using number system. Now in number system, this is represented as 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now our number system is of base 10, might be because we have 10 fingers. Now base 10 represents that we have 10 different symbols to represent any number. So this 10 symbol are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now we can represent any number. Let's take an example 273. Now what does 3 represent? This 3 represent 3 bundles of 1. This 7 represent 7 bundle of 10, and this 2 represent 2 bundle of 100. Now adding these, we will get 273. Now how we got 1, 10, and 100? 1 is just 10 ki power 0, 10 is 10 ki power 1, and 100 is 10 ki power 2. Now just like base 10, we have another which is base 2, which is also known as binary number. So base 2 contain only two different symbols, which is 0 and 1. And this is used mostly in computers because our computer can understand only two things, on and off computer or signals. So let's take a number 5. So in 5, in a binary form, let's take a number 5, let's change the color. Now the 5 in binary form will be 1, 0, and 1. Now how we got this 1, 0, 1? Let's understand it. So let's take 1, 0, and 1. Now this each will represent number of bundles. Like 1 represent 1 bundle of 1, which is 2 ki power 0. 0 represent 0 bundle of 2, which is 2 ki power 1. And 1 will represent 1 bundle of 4, which is 2 ki power 2. This is just like bundle of 10s, in which we have bundles of 10 ki power something like that. Now when we add all this, we will get a number which is 5. So 101 represent 5. Let's take another example to understand it better and grasp this concept much better. So let's take another example 1, 0, 1, 1, and 1. Now what this number represents, let's check it out. So first we will write down all the 2 ki powers. This is 2 ki power 0, 2 ki power 1, 2 ki power 2, 2 ki power 3, and 2 ki power 4. And let's write this binary number again, which is representing the bundles of these 2 ki powers. So the 1 represents 2 ki power 1, 0's bundle, and so on and so on. So let's write it down. It's 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1. So let's write the 2 ki powers in 1, 2, 4, and 8. 16, sorry. So let's add it. So when we add it, we will get R 23. So this 1011 will represent 23. Now when we can convert binary number into decimal. But how to convert a decimal number into a binary number? Let's take 23 and convert it into binary number. What we'll do, we just will divide with 2 and note down the remainder. So in this case, our remainder is 1. And we will write the remainder here and quotient down. So we will repeat this process till we reach 0. So this will be 0, this will be 1. So now we reach 0 and we will. Now we write our binary number from least significant figure to most significant figure. Just like binary numbers, we have another number system which is hexadecimal, base 16. Now in this we have 16 different symbols from ranging 0 to 9, and then from A to B. In this 0 represent 0, of course. Now how 10 is represented? 10 is represented by A, and 15 is represented by F. So let's convert a number by a hexadecimal number. Let's take a simple example. Let's take 1f. So just like 2 ki powers and 10 ki powers, here is 16's power, 16 power 0 and 16 power 1. So this f represents 15. So this means 15 bundle of 16 power 0, and this will represent 1 bundle of 16. So when we add this, we will get a number which is 31. This 1f will represent 31, and we can do vice versa and check it out that what will 31 be in hexadecimal form. We know what is 1f. Let's do it by the method which we learn in binary form. So in this, just the difference is we will divide by 16. So we'll get a remainder 1 here, sorry, 15 here, and here we get 1 remainder. So it's ended. And this 15 will be f and this one will be 1. So our 31 is represented in 1f. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you understand.